Welcome. In front of me is OPPO A5m, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your device overheats while charging. So first of all, if you're using a fast charging AC adapter, it is pretty normal for devices to heat during charging. So if you're using a fast charger, don't worry, but generally speaking, you can do a couple of things that will reduce your phone overheating. So go to settings, battery, now scroll down and look for the apps that use the most battery of your phone. If the application uses a lot of battery on your phone, then it might be one of the reasons of why your device heats while charging, and maybe it works in the background. And if you see some application right here that uses a lot of your battery, you can go to power saving settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list, then find this application on the list. For example, let's pretend that it's this one, and select restrict background activity, confirm, and this way this application won't be working in the background. Okay, so the next tip that I can share with you is to use original charger and cable, as these are the most compatible with your device, so they will significantly reduce heating while charging your phone. You can also remove case if you're using one, because case usually maintains the heat inside of it, and removing the case will improve the heat dissipation. And the last tip that I want to share with you is that you should charge your phone in a cool, ventilated area to ensure the best charging experience for your device. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.